often do you do something just for yourself? What area of your life are you completely free and careless in? We're all living lives full of responsibilities, anxieties, and constraints, and it's hard to find moments of unlimited joy. And we all deserve them. We need to take time for self-care and building our inner peace. And I know a perfect way to do that. A way that worked for me and thousands of people all over the world. I'm talking about keeping an art journal, your visual diary through which you can express yourself, heal, and learn. I am Kasia Avery, and I will show you how to make your 2024 a year of positivity and creativity. Discover your new passion and find focus to keep your soul nurtured. Join me and 33 renowned teachers as we help you discover your inner artist on our year-long online course called Wanderlust. You will learn about mixed media art journaling, the most forgiving, joyful, freedom-infused kind of art with endless opportunities. We will teach you all about supplies and take you through the process of creating one small artwork every week. Following our weekly lessons can be your new favorite form of self-care. This is our 9th year, and every time we have inspired thousands of people on a fantastic journey of self-discovery through joyful and laid-back art. Don't believe me? Check out these Wanderlust stories to see just how much our adventurers love Wanderlust. We don't know what 2024 will bring to our lives and to this world, but we know that you can take this step right now to ensure you bring creativity and self-care to the table next year. Become one of us today. Say yes to your creativity in 2024 and fill your journal inspired by our teachers' guidance. Join thousands of students from all over the world. Give yourself time to just be and express. Learn things about yourself that you didn't know were nestled deep inside your heart.